Custard Arabic bread pudding, ready in just 15 minutes. Let's start with simple ingredients. 4 slices of white bread, 1½ cups milk, 1/2 cup fresh cream, or evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon butter, for greasing or drizzling, 2 tablespoons chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons chopped pistachios, 1 tablespoon raisins, optional, 1 teaspoon rose water or vanilla essence, optional. Instructions: tear the bread, croissants into small pieces and place them in a greased baking bowl or ramekin. In a saucepan, heat milk, cream, sugar, and cardamom powder. Stir and boil for 2 to 3 minutes until warm and fragrant. Add rose water or vanilla if using. Pour the hot milk mixture over the bread. Press down lightly to soak. Sprinkle nuts and raisins on top. Drizzle melted butter. Cook one of the following ways. Microwave, 2 to 3 minutes on high until bubbling. Oven, 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until the top is lightly golden. Serve warm. Optionally, top with extra cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.